Hi children, in previous class we learned to mean, that is the central tendency, one of the type. Now second type is mode. What is mode? Mode is that value among the observations which occurs most frequently. Most frequently means number of times repeated, that is called mode. Then mode is that value among the observations, in all the observations, which observation is repeatedly frequently occurring means repeatedly occurs, that observation we called as a mode. Now suppose one example, 5, 6, 9, 10, 6, 3, 12, 6, 11, 10, 4, 6, 7. In this, which observation is repeated more? First we have to write as per order. Now what is the smallest? 3, 4, 5, 6 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next 7, only one time. 8 not there. 9, 10 two times. 11 one time. 12 one time. Now these are the observations in order I wrote. But which observation occurring more times means 6 is occurring 4 times. Then mode is equal to, mode of this data is equal to 6. Now in this bimodal mode means if two observations repeated same number of times. Suppose here 6 is repeated 4 times. Then like that 10 also repeated 4 times. Then 6 and 10 are the mode of that data. We call that bimodal. Next, for grouped data, how to find out the mode? The mode for grouped data is found by using the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is the L? Lower boundary of modal class. H, size of the modal class interval. Here they repeated modal class, modal class, modal class. What is the modal class? Highest frequency class class interval we called modal class. Then what is modal class? Highest frequency class interval we called modal class. Then that modal class lower boundary we called L. That modal class size we called H. Frequency of modal class F1 is equal to frequency of modal class, means that is the highest frequency in that problem. Next, frequency of class preceding the modal class. F0 means what? Before class interval. Frequency of before class interval of modal class, means modal class before class frequency we called F0. F2 means after modal class frequency, that frequency we called F2. Now, what is the formula? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is F1? Frequency of modal class. Which modal? What is the modal class? Highest frequency of class interval we called that class interval we called modal class. Now, lower boundary of modal class means in that lower boundary, upper boundary. Class interval has lower boundary, upper boundary. Lower boundary we called as L. Then H is equal to size of modal class. F1, frequency of modal class. Then F0, frequency of class preceding the modal class. Means before class frequency, modal class before class we called frequency we called F0. F2 means modal class frequency, after class frequency we called F2. Now example. Now exercise 14.2, find the mode of this. In this exercise we have to find out the mode. Then second question. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. Lifetimes in hours, 0 to 20 hours, 20 to 40 hours, 40 to 60 hours, 60 to 80 hours, 80 to 100 hours, 100 to 120 hours. Then frequency, 0 to 20 hours, how many components are there? 10. 20 to 40 hours, 35 components. 40 to 60, 52 components. 60 to 80, 61 components. 80 to 100, 38 components. Then 100 to 120, 29 components. Then what is the mode of this lifetime of the components we have to find out. Now, how many class intervals given? 6 class intervals. Then what are the frequencies? 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. In this, which is the highest frequency? 61. Then we have to say as F1. That is F1. Now, the lower boundary of that class interval, this is L. This class we call modal class. Highest frequency class we called modal class. That frequency we called F1. Then before one F0. After one F2. Now L is equal to 60. F1 is equal to 61. F0 is equal to 52. F2 is equal to 38. Now H is equal to size of the class model class, means 60 to 80. How much? 20. Now what is the lower boundary? 60. Then F1, highest frequency we called F1. Then before model class frequency we called F0. After frequency of model class frequency we called F2, 38. Then what is the height of the model class? 20. The class size of model class is 20. Now what is the formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F2 minus F0 into H. First we have to do this bracket simplification. Next add it to L. Now 60 plus F1 61 minus F0 52 by 61 into 2 minus 38 minus 52 into 20. Sixty plus 9 by 122 minus 38 minus 52 into 20. Now 60 plus 9 by 112 minus 90, because minus plus 38 plus 52 90 minus 90 to 22 3 32 32 into 20. First we have to do this simplification. 4 5s are 4 8s are. Now 60 plus 45 by 8. 840. 8 5s are 40. 5.86 are 48. 20. 8 2s are 16. 40. 8 5s are 40. Now 60 plus 5.60 plus 5.625 give rise to 65.625. Therefore mode is equal to 65.625, means 65 hours. 65.625 hours is the mode of that lifetime of components. Now first we have to check which is the highest frequency in that frequency. Now 61 is the frequency. That class we called as modal class. That frequency we called F1. Then before one we have to take F0. Next one we have to take F2. Now what is the formula? Then that modal class lower boundary we called L. size of that class interval we called H. L plus F1 minus F2 F0 by 2 F1 plus minus F2 minus F0 into H. Now you have to substitute the values. In this, first we have to simplify the bracket one, then add to L. Here 60 plus 61 minus 52 by 61 into 2 minus 38 minus 52 into 20. Now 9 by 122 minus 38 minus 52 into 20. Then we have to simplify this bracket one. How much we got? 5.625. Then you have to add to 60. 65.625. Then what is the model? 65 hours. Now this is the mode. You have to complete 14.2 exercise as a homework.